Every kid has a dream, and to fulfill that dream, definitely teachers play an important role of being a facilitator and help every kid to complete their dreams. My name is Minal. I am the academic coordinator of Lead School Mangaon. My work to check the teacher preparation, to have class observation and to plan the whole academic planning and also to execute it in a proper way. Talking about the teaching in traditional schools, we have to refer a lots of books, prepare a self-lesson plan out of it, plan out the activities, and that was really a hectic work over there. But once I joined Lead, we have like teacher app. I really found it so simpler that any topic that I want to touch, the videos are ready. Whatever activity to be conducted, that are ready. Through Lead, we have teacher development workshops which helps the teachers to understand the Lead product. It becomes easier for them to implement it in the classroom. With the help of the tab, each and every concept starts with an activity. So this activity helps us to understand the concept. Even the one who is a little bit slow learner, we can say, all these aids helps to cater each and every type of the learner which is present in the classroom. First year of our grade 10, definitely it was difficult as a teacher also, because majority of the teachers were also teaching CBSE for the first year. But definitely Lead, they guided us how to prepare the student. That helped us a lot, and we gave 100% result for the first time. And yes, definitely it was a proud moment for all the students and even for all the teachers. Nucleus is the heart for the functioning of entire school. Every solution that we require is available just on a one click, where you can find out student attendance, where you can find out student performance. Then you can just find out what is teachers doing. We can keep a track on that also. With the help of Lead, I feel proud that I am a part of an education system which will help the rural students of Mangaon. They can achieve their goals, and yes, definitely it can also help Mangaon to reach up to a next level.